And country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Angel Smith don come out come blast Very Dark Man. After Very Dark Man come out to come call out some certain Nollywood actors. And also Kiddwaya of the All-Star season don come out don explain why dem no see am for Davido wedding. And lastly, Big Brother Naija season 9 e don dey come out in few days time. But before we start, make we say happy birthday to Pere the general, two-time finalist. Happy birthday to Pere AB. Una remember say Pere promise us wife oo, we never see the wife. Make we dey hope now. Pere the king of Patriots, may God bless your new age bro. So unto Angel matter. Angel come out to come give Very Dark Man better woto after e recent behaviour. So few days ago Davido do im traditional marriage and na im be the talk of town. Person no even fit see news carry because till now dey still dey talk about the wedding and the aftermath of the wedding na im dey bring all the gbas-gbos. According to Very Black Man, im dey claim talk say certain celebrities were not invited to the main event, e.g. Iyabo Ojo. So with the way the guy dey disrespect the woman, person wey dey old enough to be im mama and all of that, different people don come out to come throw subtle shade at Very Dark Man. So Angel come out come chook her mouth but she no tag the guy. So she come out come say my favourite Nigerian trope is when someone shows signs of being a mean-spirited person and Nigerians gas them up until they become monsters, then pretend to be shocked at the monster they created. We see the way Very Dark Man take become celebrity overnight for our very own eyes. Una ask me wetin be the Very Dark Man talent? Nothing. He's not a content creator. He does not act movie. Absolutely nothing. Just coming online to come and do cho. Wedding wey be say dem manage invite you, wey be say you go go enjoy the thing come back. You reach there, you go dey check people wey be say dem no invite, people wey come around 5pm, people wey come around 10am. ₦1 like this, Very Dark Man no spray Davido and im wife for that party. E just go there, chop their food finish, clean mat, come out, carry ring light, start to dey drag people wey actually give dollars in bundles. So as Angel talk this thing, Very Dark Man fans, as we all know, dem dey troublesome like the guy. They come out come give Angel better woto. The first person here, the same thing they did for you, girl. Allow everyone use their space anyhow they want. All of una pack well. You all get your own for body. The problem is we can't just mind our business in this country, because I believe na the same church everybody dey do now. Now say what signs? You that showed signs of cover in Biggie house, or is it because he exposed Jenny Glow, the only one brand you have signed in your life? You all should rest and stop obsessing over VDM. Well, VDM im dey do too much these days, I no go lie, but na pipu wey be say dey stand am na blame. So unto Kiddwaya matter. Kiddwaya, as we all know, im and Davido dey very close and most people don dey expect say im go dey for the front row or among the groomsmen for the wedding wey be say just finish. Unfortunately, we no see Kiddwaya for there. Some of Big Brother Naija housemates actually came. We dey see the likes of Ike, we see the likes of Diane, Bella's sister wey be say be Sandra, she was there. I think those na the only two Big Brother Naija people wey actually attend that event. The event na actually for billionaires or something. I no know how Diane take enter there, but for Ike, I sure say e go be Kiddwaya na go pull some strings for Ike to take attend that wedding. So as dem no come see the Kiddwaya for there, people come dey ask whether dem no give Kiddwaya invite or maybe im don get a fallout with David, all those type of things. So normally, a few days before the wedding, I don go check Kiddwaya status and I see say he actually congratulate Davido and im wife. But as people dey call am out say why you no come the wedding, dem no invite you, im come and come actually post a video wey be say im dey for Portugal. Im actually dey attend a wedding of another person. Im dey amongst the groomsmen. So that na one of the reason why im no fit make am to Davido wedding. I sure say im go don drop im own cash or im go don call, all those type of thing. But to me, I believe to say if you and person dey close, I no know the relationship wey you and David get and the relationship wey you and the person wey be say go a wedding get sha. So I no go fit really say. Thing don come out come give us the excuse, we go just need gas to manage wetin e talk like that. Anyways, congratulations to Chioma and Davido. their wedding was the talk of the town. May God bless all of us, make we get money so that we go fit smile and enjoy our life on earth. Unto the Big Brother Naija season 9, as you can see, Biggie don come out come post dis thing say coming soon in few, don put kpong, which means na days, because na dis July na e dey start and dis June don already finish. So from wetin dem show us for dis sneak peek, you go see talk say dem get different rooms here. You dey see strong head room, you dey see another one low key room, you see another one swagger room, another one hot stuff. And as we know talk say dis time around dem dey come in duo, 2-2. Best friend go carry a best friend come, mama and pikin go come, husband and wife go come, na so the thing go be. So I dey believe say dis particular twist wey BD dey bring come, e go make sense. But some people dey come and talk say dem no go watch the show because of the fact say Big Brother no give them a reunion for All Star season. Me, I dey very pained say Big Brother actually disappoint us for that All Stars. But I know talk say people go really watch this one because they don dey anticipate this particular show for a very long time. We go gats tigh ten our seatbelt for this new season wey be say dey come because e go make sense die. Una take care, una bye.